Hello and welcome to this course creation quick start guide. In this course, I'm going to take you through the overview of the 10 major steps for creating your very own online course. So maybe you want to create self-study online courses or coaching programs, perhaps even membership subscriptions. I'm going to take you through exactly what you need to do in order, one step at a time, to get that idea secured in your head, check there's market demand, how to come up with content your students are going to absolutely love, how to put it all in order, what tech you need, how to get your basic tech set up and get your course out there. There are even some bonus modules in here too, just to give you some course creation motivation, confidence building, and overcome that sense of imposter syndrome that sometimes jumps on the backs of people who are beginning to go out to the world as an expert in their field. There is also a very special bonus module in here on the 12 techniques that I personally used to get over 32,000 students in 168 countries without spending a single penny on paid ads. My name's Sarah Cordiner. I am a qualified course creation professional. I am postgraduate qualified in education, and so I am teaching these strategies from a proper curriculum design perspective. I'm also teaching that as somebody who has run a very successful education company for well over a decade. I've got well over 40,000 students now in 168 countries, and I also hold the record for being the youngest university director in Australian history. So I really hope that I can share with you today my success strategies that are combined with actual adult learning principles so that you can create a really high quality online course of your own that your students are going to absolutely adore and that position you as a highly respected authority in your field. I cannot wait to see you in the course. Let's get started.